Linggle is an easy-to-use online collocation search engine based on the 1T 5-gram database released by Google in 2006. With this huge dataset, through keyword and syntax commands, Linggle can retrieve possible word combinations and collocations effectively. The results are displayed in order of frequency, and the patterns and combinations with higher frequency counts are displayed at the top. This helps users find what they need more easily compared with other tools of this kind. Lingle's interface is user-friendly, and learners at different levels will find it easy to use. Let's show you two examples of how Linggle works. If you want to find a verb to go with a study, after typing to, verb, a, study, the system will quickly retrieve the results, which include to conduct a study, to do a study, to undertake a study, to complete a study, and to fund a study. Among them, to conduct a study has the highest frequency with 61,000 occurrences. Here's another example. If you want to find an adverb to go with ill, after typing adverb, ill, the system will retrieve the possible combinations, which include mentally ill, terminally ill, seriously ill, critically ill, and chronically ill. These adverbs are all frequently used with the word ill. Isn't Linggle very convenient? Users can easily and quickly see the most common combinations and find one that suits their needs. Now you see how Linggle can effectively help second language writers solve collocation problems. In addition to collocation and patterns, Linggle also provides good example sentences. By clicking on the patterns or combinations retrieved from the tool will further provide some quality example sentences from the selected corpora. By default, Linggle will show 5 example sentences, but you can click the Show More button if you need 5 more extra sentences, showing up to 10 example sentences. Similarly, clicking the Show Less button will return to the original 5-sentence mode. Why does Linggle show example sentences? In order to use a collocation or phrase correctly in a sentence, users need to know its usage. With quality example sentences, users will be able to grasp particular usages. Quality example sentences play an extremely important role in vocabulary learning. Before we end this video, let's talk a little bit about vocabulary learning and vocabulary knowledge. Vocabulary learning can be divided into 2 parts. First, words for recognition, and second, words for production. Words for recognition means that as long as you recognize the words, it's fine. You might know their meaning. If you see the words and know what they mean, you still might not know how to use them in writing. These words are called passive vocabulary. If you want to use the words correctly in your writing, in addition to meaning, you need to know how to use the words in context and their usages. And these words for production are called active vocabulary. The purpose of the Linggle collocation retrieval system is to serve as a writing aid in word production. Writers can use the tool to find word combinations easily and quickly when they are not sure about certain word usages or collocations. Sometimes, writers already have a word in mind, but they want to find a better word or an alternative word and to find more inspiration for collocations and patterns, which will add variety to their writing. These are just some of the ways that Linggle can improve learners' writing. In the next video, we will start to introduce how to use Linggle